tonight is Manjira Garba, folk dance with cymbals, choreographed and trained by Sri P.T. Narendran, performed by Jyoti Pillai, Dharani Svakumaran, Sneha Mahesh, Shata Mahesh, Savitri Thurai Ratnam, Shayaki Niranjan, Lakshika Sendal Mohan, Siddhi Chandra.
Gunga Hope you all enjoying the show this evening. Children are doing excellent job. Am I right or not? Ah. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, the next piece is a Bharatanatyam, purely classical dance piece. This is a solo item that I'm going to do. The song is taken from one of the oldest epics called Kumara Sambhavam. Kumara Sambhavam story, it's written by Kalidasa in 12th century. This is a story of Lord Shiva and Parvati and the birth of Lord Muruga. That's the whole story about Kumara Sambhavam. I'm going to present you only one song from that, where Shiva preparing for the marriage with goddess Parvati. I'll show you a few gestures that are portrayed in this choreography. At the time of marriage, the 7 heavenly mothers took the bridegroom garments and offered Lord Shiva. Shiva, having seen the bride costume and jewels, he merely accepted them and he preferred his own dress, the own garb and the ornaments that he is wearing, that are the skull and the elephant skin and tiger skin, so on. But out of desire for getting married with Parvati, suddenly the costume and ornaments turned bright. The elephant skin turned to be a beautiful dhoti. The skull became a beautiful ornament around his neck. The third eye, which represents fire, turned to be a beautiful bindi on his forehead. The tiger skin turned to be a beautiful outfit again. The snakes around his head and arm turned to be a beautiful ornament. Thus he called one of his attendants, took the sword from him, and at the reflection of it, he admired himself. And on Nandi, his vehicle, he proceeded in a procession with dancers and musicians to the Himavan's palace. That's a song that I'm going to present you. The music choreography, music composition is by Madhub Mudgal. He's a Hindustani musician in Delhi. And the dance choreography is by Leela Sampson, is the director of Kalakshetra. Thank you, and see you soon.
तावद्धरस्यापि कुबेरशैले तत्पूर्वपाणिः ग्रहणानुरूपम् प्रसाधनं मातृभिराधृताभिः न्यस्तपुरस्तात् पौरशासनस्य तद्गौरवान् मण्डनश्रीः सापस्पृशे केवलम् ईश्वरेण स्वभाववेशः परिणेतुरीष्टम् भावान्तरं तस्य विभो प्रपेदे
ತದಿತ್ತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿರತ್ತ ಜಂತ ತದಿತ್ತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿರತ್ತ ಜಂತ ತದಿತ್ತ ಧಣ್ಣದ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿರತ್ತ ಜಂ ಕಡದಗದ ತದಿತ್ತ ಧಣ್ಣದ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿರತ್ತ ಜಂತ ಧಣ್ಣ ತ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತ ಧಿಮಿ ತ ಕಿಟ ತ ಧಣ್ಣ ತ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತ ಧಿಮಿ ತ ಕಿಟ ಧಣ್ಣತ ಜೊಣ್ಣುತ ಧಿಮಿ ತ ಕಿಟ ತದಿ ತದಿತ್ತ ಝಂ ಕಡದಗದಗಡತಂ ತದಿ ತದಿತ್ತ ಝಂ ಕಡದಗದಗಡತಂ ತದಿ ತದಿತ್ತ ಝಂ ಕಡದಗದಗಡತಂ
बभूव भस्मैव सीताङ्गराग बभूव भस्मैव सीताङ्गराग कापालमेवामलशेखर श्रीकापालमेवामलशेखर श्री ऊपान्तभागेषु च रोचनाङ्ग ऊपान्तभागेषु च रोचनाङ्ग गजाजिन शैवदुकूलभाव गजाजिन शैवदुकूलभाव
ಧನಂ ಕುತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕುತಕ ತಡ್ಡಿಂಗಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣಕ ಝಂ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತಡಿ ಧನ್ನ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ಧಿಮಿ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತಕ ದಿತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣಕ ಝಂ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತಡಿ ಧನ್ನ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ಧಿಮಿ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣಕ ಝಂ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ತಕ ದಿತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣಕ ಝಂ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣಕ ಝಂ ದಿತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣಕ ಝಂ ತ ಕಣ್ಣಕ ಝಂ ಕಡದಗದ ಕಡದಗದ ಕಡತುಂ ಕಡದಗದ ಕಡದಗದ ಕಡತುಂ ಕಡದಗದ ಕಡದಗದ ಕಡತುಂ
शङ्खान्तरद्योतिविलोचनं यत् शङ्खान्तरद्योतिविलोचनं यत् अन्तर्निविष्टानलपिङ्गतारम् अन्तर्निविष्टानलपिङ्गतारं सान्निध्यपक्षे हरितालमय्या सान्निध्यपक्षे हरितालमय्या तदेव जातं तिलकक्रियाय तदेव जातं तिलक